Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic general description, classification, extraction, uses and health implications of linseed. First of all, its objectives. To gain knowledge about linseed, its habit and general classification. To know about the different types of phytochemicals obtained from linseed. To gain an insight into the mechanism of extraction of linseed. To study in detail different uses of linseed. To study the health implications of linseed. Introduction. Flax, also known as common flax or linseed with the botanical name Linum eucetatissimum, is a member of the genus Linum in the family Linaceae, which has been grown throughout the world for millennia as the source of products for existing high-value markets in textile, composites, paper, pulp, and industrial nutritional oil sectors. It's a food and fiber crop that's grown in cooler regions of the world. Originally cultivated in Mesopotamia, the use of flax has been documented as far back as 3000 BC. General description. Flax is an annual or short-lived semi-evergreen perennial plant, sometimes semi-woody at base with attractive flowers ranging from white to blue to yellow to red in color. Flax plants have many narrow, small, alternate, simple and entire leaves that are sessile on the stems. The perfect and regular, generally showy flowers are borne in racemes or cymes. The sepals, petals and stamens are 5, fruit is a capsule. Cultivated flax plant grows 1.2 meters tall with slender stems. The leaves are glaucous green, slender, lanceolate, 20 to 40 mm long and 3 mm broad. Linseed has a shallow root system and needs sufficient moisture during the growing season. The seeds for food and feed uses are harvested and then sieved through fine mesh screens, resulting in a clean, uniform batch of whole seeds. Seeds are flat and oval with a pointed tip, though there is substantial variation in seed shape, and in most species seeds are mucilaginous when wet. The seeds have a crisp and chewy texture and a pleasant nutty taste. Flax seeds range in color from medium reddish brown to light yellow. Seed color is determined by the amount of pigment in the outer seed coat. The more pigment, the darker the seed. Seed color is easily modified through simple plant breeding techniques. The terms flaxseed and linseed are often used interchangeably, although North Americans use flaxseed to describe flax when it's eaten by humans and linseed to describe flax when it's used for industrial purposes, such as linoleum flooring. Cultivated flax is an annual plant reproducing by means of seed. Because of its flower structure and because of its sticky pollen, it's rarely transferred by insects. Flax is a highly self-pollinated species. The pollen is viable for only a few hours from the time of anther dehiscence until about the time the petals dehisce, between 4 and 7 hours. As the flower opens, the anthers come together and form a cap over the stigma. Flax species do best on well-drained soils. Most ecotypes do well on infertile, disturbed soils. They have excellent cold winter and drought tolerance. They can tolerate weakly saline to weakly acidic sites. Plants are usually found in open areas but will tolerate semi-shaded conditions. They are fire resistant due to leaves and stems staying green with relatively high moisture content during most of the fire season. Classification. It belongs to the kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Trichobiota, order Malpighiales, family Linaceae, genus Linum, species Linum eucetatissimum. Composition. Flax is rich in fat, protein and dietary fiber. The composition of flax can vary with genetics, growing environment, seed processing and method of analysis. The protein content of the seed decreases as the oil content increases. The oil content of flax can be altered through traditional plant breeding methods, and it is affected by geography. Fatty acids. Flax contains a mixture of fatty acids. Linseed oil is a triglyceride like other fats. Linseed oil is distinctive for its unusually large amount of alpha-linolenic acid, which has a distinctive reaction with oxygen in air. Specifically, the fatty acids in a typical linseed oil are of the following types: the triply unsaturated alpha-linolenic acid, the saturated acids palmitic acid and stearic acid, the monounsaturated oleic acid, the doubly unsaturated linolenic acid. Having a high content of di and triunsaturated esters, linseed oil is particularly susceptible to polymerization reactions upon exposure to oxygen in air. This polymerization, which is called drying, results in the rigidification of the material. To prevent premature drying, linseed oil-based products should be stored in airtight containers. Like some other drying oils, linseed oil exhibits fluorescence under UV light after degradation. Proteins. The amino acid pattern of flax protein is similar to that of soybean protein, which is viewed as one of the most nutritious of the plant proteins. Gluten. Flax, like other oil seeds, is gluten-free. Gluten is a protein found in wheats, oats, barley and rye. The specific agent in gluten that causes the condition known as gluten enteropathy is gliadin, which is rich in the amino acids proline and glutamine. Carbohydrates. Flax is low in carbohydrates, providing only 1 gram per 100 gram. For this reason, flax contributes little to total carbohydrate intake. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber consists of non-digestible plant carbohydrates and other materials that are found intact in plants. The major fiber fractions in flax consist of cellulose, which is the main structural material of plant cell walls. Mucilage gums, a type of polysaccharide that becomes viscous when mixed with water or other fluids, and lignin, a highly branched fiber found within the cell walls of woody plants. Phytochemicals. Phenolic acids are among the phytochemicals found abundantly in plants. They appear to have antioxidant, anti-cancer and antimicrobial activities. Flax contains about 8 to 10 grams of total phenolic acids per kilogram of flax. Because they occur in association with fiber in plant cell walls, some of them could play a role in the health benefits attributed to flax fiber. Lignins. Plant lignins are phenolic compounds. They are biologically active phytochemicals with apparent anti-cancer and antioxidant potential. Particularly rich source of a lignin called sacchoisolariciresinol diglycoside. SDG is a plant lignin that is converted by bacteria in the colon of humans and other animals to mammalian lignins. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are polyphenols found in many fruits, vegetables and beverages such as wine and tea. Antioxidants bind certain metals, interact with enzymes and have anti-inflammatory actions. Flax contains about 35 to 70 milligrams of flavonoids per 100 gram. Vitamins and minerals. Flax contains minor amounts of water and fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin, is present in flax primarily as gamma-tocopherol, which functions as an antioxidant. Gamma-tocopherol protects cell proteins, fats and DNA from oxidative damage by free radicals, which may help prevent chronic disease like heart attack and stroke. And it promotes sodium excretion in the urine, which may help lower blood pressure. The gamma tocopherol content can range from 150 mg per kg to 800 mg per kg flax. 1 tablespoon of ground flax contains 34 mg of magnesium, about the same amount of magnesium found in a banana. A cup of 2% milk or half a fried chicken's breast. The potassium content of ground flax is about 66 mg per tablespoon or about the same amount of potassium found in 1 slice of toasted bread. Flax is low in sodium. Coming to its extraction. Pressing and cold pressing. Oil may be extracted from flax seed by applying pressure and shear force with mechanical expeller presses in a process called pressing. The crude oil produced by pressing flax seed is primarily triglyceride, but it also contains lesser amounts of monoglycerides, diglycerides, tocopherols, phenolics, pigments and orbitides. Both pressing and cold pressing are variants of the same mechanical process for separating seed solids from seed oil. Cold pressing is seen as an alternate to conventional pressing. Cold pressed oils are obtained without altering the oil by mechanical procedures only, expelling or pressing without the application of heat. They may have been purified by washing with water, settling, filtering and centrifuging only. Cold pressing and other more vigorous pressing and solvent extraction treatments produce a solid meal with a range of oil contents and liquid unrefined oil. Double pressing can produce an initial cold pressed oil stream and second oil recovered at higher temperatures. Prior to pressing, seed is optionally flaked, extruded and conditioned to increase oil pressing efficiency and to increase press operating capacity. Extrusion and other conditioning treatments may raise the temperature of seed and oil sufficiently that it may not be suitably labeled as cold pressed. Proper conditioning prior to pressing can maximize extraction efficiency, though cold pressing operations often do not involve conditioning that increases heat applied to the seed. Hull removal. While most flaxseed is processed as described above, separation of hulls, seed coats from seed embryos using commercial scale equipment is now possible. A wide variety of approaches that include dry mechanical processes, wet processes assisted by mechanical means, and processes that involve sprouting have been used for flaxseed dehulling. The properties of products achieved by each process are quite different. It has been noted that the removal of flaxseed hulls prior to pressing increases oil yield, though oil may be lost to the hull fraction during dehulling. After breaking the seed in the first step of dehulling, screens, gravity tables or electrostatic separation may be utilized to separate hulls from embryos. Embryos can be pressed with greater energy efficiency after hull removal. Settling and filtration. During pressing, phospholipids, wax and some fibrous material generated by pressing dissolve or are suspended in the crude oil. Settling in tanks allows the separation of crude oil and sediment. This is usually done with a continuous settling or Foots tank. Oil layers may be decanted to separate them from solids, though sediments may also be separated from oil by filtration under vacuum or pressure. Typical industrial manufacturers use plate and frame filter or pressure leaf filter designs. The oil recovered by filtering sediments may be combined with solids obtained by decanting. Solvent extraction. Solvent extraction is practiced to increase oil recovery after pressing. Hexane that meets official standards such as US standard for solvent extraction plants. NFPA 36 is approved for food use and efficiently dissolves triglyceride oils. Hexane has high stability and is available in purity suitable for extracting food oils. There is considerable technical complexity in hexane extraction. After extraction, commercial hexane is recovered from oil by solvent stripper that passes inert gas or water vapor through the oil. Hexane may be removed from meal as an azeotrope with water, which is introduced as steam and passed through the meal. Oilseed meal is often passed through a dissolventizer toaster to inactivate enzymes and remove residual amounts of hexane. Most flaxseed meal used in food applications is not extracted with solvent. Degumming and alkali refining. Phospholipid containing extracts of vegetable oils called mucilages or gums are removed from vegetable oil as part of oil refining processes. The level of phospholipid present in cold pressed oil is generally lower than that in oils recovered by pressing under more vigorous conditions or solvent extracted oils as more vigorous processing extracts more polar products. Phospholipid may be partially removed by water degumming, which involves adding 2 to 4% water and mixing under vacuum at 80 degrees Celsius for 10 to 30 minutes. This procedure produces sludge comprising hydrotable phospholipid that is removed from the oil by centrifugation. The addition of phosphoric acid to oil at elevated temperatures can enable more thorough removal of phospholipid. Citric acid may also be used for oil degumming. In some processes, alkali refining immediately follows degumming. Dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide solutions may be added directly to the oil acid blend after degumming to neutralize the excess H3PO4 or citric acid and free fatty acids. The resulting soap stock would contain phospholipids, soap and trapped triglycerides. Centrifugation of the mixture readily separates soap stock from oil. After alkali refining, oil is subject to vacuum drying to remove any remaining water. Bleaching. Bleaching removes carotenoid and chlorophyll pigments from flaxseed oil and can produce light yellow oil if sufficient clay is added. Acid-treated bentonite clay is activated by heat treatment to absorb pigments, soaps from alkali refining, metals and other contaminants from vegetable oil. Most flaxseed oil is not bleached as oxidative stability is reduced by the removal of oil-soluble antioxidants during bleaching. Flaxseed oil arising from Solen, trademarked by the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization and the AgriCore United Program as Linola. It is an exception as this oil is relatively stable after bleaching. Winterization. Winterization involves chilling oils so that waxes crystallize, enabling subsequent filtration to separate solid wax from oil. Most flaxseed oil is not winterized as it does not form waxy sediments on storage at cool temperatures. However, flaxseed oil is typically allowed to stand for appreciable lengths of time to allow fine suspended non-wax materials to precipitate from the oil. Wax may be lost during these treatments. Deodorization. It is the final step in vegetable oil refining. Deodorization involves steam distillation as a method to remove volatile compounds that may contribute odor and unpleasant flavors. Steam distillation will also remove aldehydes, ketones, and acids resulting from fatty acid oxidation. Tocopherol loss is a negative effect of deodorization as tocopherols are natural antioxidants that slow the oxidation of flaxseed oil. Most flaxseed oil is not deodorized. Flaxseed oil arising from Solen is an exception as this oil is fully processed and solid as a highly refined product. Refined oil for oil painters. Linseed oil is commonly used in painting. Prevention of paint yellowing requires specific refining of oil ingredients and goes further to suggest 6 refining strategies that were reconstructed from dated methods. Refining involves treatments that include refining by contact of flaxseed oil with sand, water, salt water, ethanol water mixtures, snow and oxygen. The exposure of flaxseed oil to light is also described. These refining methods increase oil drying rate and are effectively used on both cold pressed oils and refined flaxseed oils. Coming to its uses. Most applications of linseed oil exploits its drying properties. That's the initial material is liquid or at least pliable and the aged material is rigid but not brittle. The water repelling nature of the resulting hydrocarbon based material is advantageous. Paint binder. Linseed oil is a common carrier used in oil paint. It can also be used as a painting medium, making oil paints more fluid, transparent and glossy. Putty. Traditional glazing putty consisting of a paste of chalk powder and linseed oil is a sealant for glass windows that hardens within a few weeks of application and can then be painted over. The utility of putty is owing to the drying properties of linseed oil. Wood finish. When used as a wood finish, linseed oil dries slowly and shrinks little upon hardening. Linseed oil does not cover the surface as varnish does, but soaks into the pores, leaving a shiny but not glossy surface that shows off the grain of the wood. Linseed oil is a traditional finish for gun stocks, though very fine finish may require months to obtain. Several coats of linseed oil is the traditional protective coating for the raw willow wood of cricket bats. It's used so that the wood retains some moisture. Gilding. Boiled linseed oil is used as sizing in traditional oil gilding to adhere sheets of gold leaf to a substrate. Linoleum. Linseed oil is used to bind wood dust, cork particles and related materials in the manufacture of the floor covering linoleum. Nutritional supplement and food. Flaxseed oil is easily oxidized and rapidly becomes rancid with an unpleasant odor unless refrigerated. Even when kept under cool conditions, it has a shelf life of only a few weeks. Oxidation of flaxseed oil is a major commercial concern and antioxidants may be added to prevent rancidification. Linseed oil is not generally recommended for use in cooking, yet one study does show that the alpha-linolenic acid, while bound in the flaxseed, was found to be stable for cooking. When bound to flaxseed, alpha-linolenic acid can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Food-grade flaxseed oil is cold-pressed, obtained without solvent extraction in the absence of oxygen and marketed as edible flaxseed oil. Now, health implications of linseed oil. First, its benefits. Several studies indicate that linseed oil as well as ground linseeds can lower cholesterol, thereby significantly reducing the risk of heart disease. It counters inflammation associated with gout, lupus and fibrocystic breasts because of omega-3 fatty acid present in oil. In addition, the ability of omega-3 fatty acids to boost the absorption of iodine. As these are high in dietary fiber, ground linseeds can help ease the passage of stools and thus relieve constipation, hemorrhoids and diverticular disease. The essential fatty acids in linseed oil are largely responsible for its skin healing powers. Red, itchy patches of eczema, psoriasis often respond to the EFA's anti-inflammatory actions and overall skin soothing properties. The abundant omega-3 fatty acids in linseed oil have been shown to contribute to healthy hair growth. The EFAs in linseed oil assist in the transmission of nerve impulses, making the oil potentially valuable in treating conditions of numbness and tingling. The oil's nerve-nourishing actions may also help in the treatment of Parkinson's disease and protect against the nerve damage associated with diabetes and multiple sclerosis. The lignins in linseed appear to play a role in protecting against breast, colon, prostate and perhaps skin cancer. Although further studies are needed, research undertaken at the University of Toronto indicates that women with breast cancer, regardless of the degree of cancer invasions, may benefit from treatment with linseed. Interestingly, the lignins may protect against various effects of aging as well. Now, linseed oil side effects. Though linseed oil is said to have various health benefits, it is also contended that the nutritional value of this oil is much lesser as compared to the whole seeds. Here is a compilation of some of the possible linseed oil side effects, some of which could be serious. One of the common but less bothersome side effects of linseed oil is loose stools that may sometimes lead to diarrhea. Some of the flax oil users may develop serious allergic reactions with symptoms like rash, hives, itching, swelling, breathing problems, wheezing, etc. Linseed oil side effects include bleeding problems as it may adversely affect the blood clotting ability of the body. It could be like brain hemorrhage, causing symptoms like headache, numbness and tingling in limbs, vision problems, etc., or bleeding in the gastrointestinal tract, causes reddish or black tarry stools, vomiting blood. Some people may experience easy bruising or cuts that bleed for long. Though alpha-linolenic acid is healthy, in some cases it does not get converted into eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid that are readily absorbed by the body. This is mostly seen in people with medical conditions like diabetes. It is said that in normal cases too, only 1% of the total omega-3 alpha-linolenic acid gets converted into EPA during metabolism. Flaxseed oil contains alpha-linolenic acid and research suggests that diets high in ALA from meat and dairy may increase the risk of prostate cancer. However, this does not seem to apply to plant-based ALA such as that found in flaxseed oil. Flax oil side effects include possible drug interactions. Those who are taking blood-thinning medications should not use linseed oil or other omega-3 fatty acids without first talking to your healthcare provider. This applies to other types of drugs like blood sugar lowering ones, NSAIDs, medication for lowering blood cholesterol, cyclosporine, etc. Linseed oil should not be used for cooking since the heat changes the healthy fat into toxic fat that causes harm. Instead, some people find that adding the oil to a dish that's already cooked can enhance the flavor and add many beneficial nutrients to the diet. Linseed oil contains phytoestrogens that may act like the original hormone in the body. So it should not be used by pregnant and breastfeeding women and those with hormonal imbalance. Immature flaxseed pods can cause poisoning. Uncooked flaxseed also contains very small amounts of cyanide compounds, especially when consumed raw. With this, we conclude our lecture. Thanks for watching.